Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which animal use their eyes to hear sounds? Snake, cat, dog, bat. Which animal's milk kills people? Horse, yaks, tiger, goats. Which male animal gives birth? Seahorse, turtles, starfish, sea lions. Which animal gives us blue milk? Reindeer, camel, horse, hippopotamus. The age of a lion can be determined from its A. Color of nose, B. Color of hair, C. Length of tail, D. Length of nails. Which insect can live without its head for weeks? Beetle, ant, cockroach, fly. Which animal is known for changing its color? Chameleon, gecko, frog, salamander. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird, sparrow, eagle, hawk. Which animal has the longest migration of any mammal? Seal, caribou, whale, orca. Which animal is known to build dams? Duck, otter, beaver, fish. Which animal has a tail that can regrow if lost? Snake, lizard, frog, turtle. What is the largest species of freshwater fish? Catfish, beluga sturgeon, arapaima, paddlefish. What type of animal is a sea cucumber? Fish, mollusk, crustacean, echinoderm. What is the largest land carnivore? Grizzly bear, lion, tiger, polar bear. Which fish is known for producing caviar? Tuna, salmon, sturgeon, trout. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.